Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Deepti from Dip Scroll Bag. In today's lecture, we are going to start reading of SPL Chapter 1, Role of Indian Constitution. In this chapter, we are going to read about why we need the Constitution and how the Indian Constitution was made and the drafting was done and the main principles of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution rules are framed in order to be followed. When we are in school, we follow the school rules, and on the road we tend to follow the traffic rules. Similarly, a country is governed by a set of rules. These set of rules are called the Constitution. So, what is a constitution? Constitution is a set of rule which help us to grow, and we have to follow them sincerely. So, what constitution means an important law. These law may be written or unwritten. Constitution can be written in the written form as well as in the unwritten form also. A constitution consists fundamental principles according to which the nation or a state is governed. So each and every constitution consists of fundamental rights, which, according to which a nation, a state is governed and help in the governments of the government. So now the question arises: why we need the constitution? We need constitution due to it is the constitution that defines the role and the power of the of an elected member of parliament or state legislator, because in the constitution it is cleared what are the roles of the member of parliament and what is the role of the member of state legislative power, state legislative, how the democracy will work, people, how the people participated in the formation of government, what how the government will be run. Each and everything is written in the constitution. So the constitution laid down the basic ideas of to govern the country. So what is a constitution? It is laid down the basic ideas. What is the basic idea of a country's government is there, and lay down the certain principle that help in the decision making of the country, and it is the principles. It has the principles according to which the government of a country is make their decision for a country. Next is the provides the law for protecting the minorities. It also provides the laws to protect the minorities rights and take care of them, and it grants citizen to right to equality without any discrimination against. So constitution also provide a right about which tell them there should not be discrimination on the basis of anything rights, that's on the basis of race. Your race is there, your gender is there, religion is there, caste is there. On such these ground there should not be any discrimination. So now we are going to read about the Indian Constitution, how it was drafted. So Indian Constitution, the constitution of a country is a fundamental document of governing it. So almost all independent countries in the world today were democracy or no or any other form of government exists, they have their own constitution. So each and every country in the world have its own constitution. This constitution help the government to govern the country. So it is the fundamental document which help the government to governing the country. So after the independence, our leaders found that we should have some constitution according to which we can run our country. So so leaders wanted a guiding principles for the new independent India to be followed continuously. As a result, the drafting committee of the constituent assembly framed the Indian constitution. So drafting committee means वो कमेटी जिसने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को ड्राफ्ट किया या रिटन किया. Of the Constituent Assembly framed the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution banana, the main agency who make the Constitution was the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of Constituent Assembly. So the Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the head of this Constitution Assembly, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of drafting committee. So drafting committee के chairman और the president कौन थे? आपके बी आर अम्बेडकर थे. वेयर एज जिसके ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी जिस असेंबली के अंडर आती थी उस असेंबली के प्रेसिडेंट थे डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. एंड डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद इज द सेम पर्सन हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया. So drafting of Indian Constitution, the Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months and 7 days to frame the Constitution. So 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to frame the Constitution. Indian Constitution was passed by Assembly on 26th November 1949, and it comes into effect on 26th January 1950. So though these are the two important dates, 26th January 1949, the assembly, the legislative assembly, or we can say the Parliament of India, approved this constitution, and it was come into effect on 26th January 1950. The Indian Constitution is a living document. A very important thing is it is a living document. Why we are calling it a living document? Because according to the times, according to the needs of the people, we can make a change in it. We can make a change. अगर इसमें amendments changes can be done in the form of amendments, or the rules which we are nowadays, there is no use of that rules, we can abolish them also. So that is why it is known as a living document. The constitution get amended according to the needs and inspiration of the society. Certain changes are brought in the constitution through a process called amendment. So amendment का प्रोसेस क्या होता है? amendment का मतलब होता है कानून को बदलाव लेके आना. तो इसी कारण इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को लिविंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी कहा जाता है. In next lecture we are going to read about the preamble and the features of Indian Constitution. Till then, take care and stay home, stay healthy. Goodbye.